बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है मुईन अख्तर के हवाले से। मुईन अख्तर इज़ बोर्न ऑन 24 December 1950 एंड डेड ऑन 22 April 2011 was a Pakistani television, film and stage artist, humorist, comedian, impersonator, host, writer, singer, director, and producer, who rose to fame in the era of Radio Pakistan along with his co-actors Anwar Maqsood and Bushra Ansari. He became an icon through his screen Parsa Rosie and is considered to be one of a kind parodist and the king of Urdu comedy. His career spanned more than 45 years from childhood in the Radio Pakistan era to work of great renown on television, film, and stage until a year before his death in 2011. Born 24 December 1950, Karachi, Federal Capital Territory, Pakistan. Died 22 April 2011 at the age of 60. Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Nationality Pakistani. Occupation comedian, host, writer, singer, director, producer. Years active 1966 to 2011. Awards Bride of Performance 1996. Sitara Imtiaz 2011. Bride of Performance Award recipient. Date 14th August 1996. Country Pakistan. Presented by Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. Early life. Akhtar was born in Karachi, Pakistan on 24 December 1950. His father Muhammad Ibrahim Mehboob, who died at the age of 92 a few months following Akhtar's death, was born in Muradabad in modern-day Uttar Pradesh, India, and following the 1947 partition settled in Karachi, where he passed his life in his own printing press and as a contractor in the garments business. Akhtar was fluent in several languages including English, Bengali, Sindhi, Punjabi, Memoni, Pashto, Gujarati, apart from his native Urdu. Before joining the performing arts, Akhtar worked as a mechanic. Career. Early career. Akhtar started his acting career as childhood actor, but at the age of 13, he played the character of Shishlik in Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice in theatre. Akhtar's sense of humor was highly dynamic and versatile. He made his television debut on 6 September 1966 in a variety show on Pakistan television to celebrate the first Defence Day of Pakistan. He started as a comedian in 1966 by impersonating the Hollywood actor Anthony Quinn and mimicked one of the former USA President John F. Kennedy's speeches. He has performed several roles in television stage shows, later teamed with Anwar Maqsood and Bushra Ansari. Television. Akhtar acted in several films, sitcoms, and dramas and hosted many TV shows. Rosie. Akhtar rose to the national spotlight and gathered critical acclaim for his performance in the drama Rosie 1990, in which he played the role of a female TV artist. Rosie was an Urdu adaptation of the Hollywood movie Tutsai, starring Dustin Hoffman. He called it one of the favorite on-screen characters that he played. Rosie was written by Imran Aslam and directed by Saira Kazmi. Talk shows. In the talk show Loose Talk, which began in 2002 on ARY Digital, he appeared as a different character in each episode with a total of over 400 episodes, interviewed by the TV host Anwar Maqsood, who was also the writer of the program. Akhtar also briefly hosted the game show Kya Aap Banenge Crorepati, the Pakistani version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. He hosted shows involving major personalities and performed on stage alongside Indian legends including Dilip Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, and Madhuri Dixit. Host. He hosted shows with invited dignitaries including King Hussein of Jordan, Prime Minister of Gambia Dawoodi Al-Joza, President Ziaul Haq, Ghulam Ishaq Khan, General Yahya Khan, and Parvez Musharraf, Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and the legendary Indian film actor Dilip Kumar. Films. Akhtar made his film debut with Tumse Nahi Dekha 1974 and had lead roles in movies such as Mr. Tabedar 1993 and Mr. K2 1995, which did not do well at the box office, whereas Raz 1992, where he had a supporting role, did well. Actor Mustafa Qureshi has argued that unlike most comedians, Akhtar never acclaimed for a film career, as his brand of comedy was different from that shown in the movies back then. Music. Akhtar was also a singer, having released an album where he reprised the classical song of Ahmad Rushdi. Death and legacy. Akhtar died on 22 April 2011 at about 4:30 p.m. in Karachi after suffering a heart attack. He has survived by his wife, three daughters, and two sons. Funeral prayers for Akhtar were offered in Tawheed Masjid near his residence. Thousands of people attended the funeral prayer, which was led by Junaid Jamshed. Many Bollywood actors pay tribute to Akhtar, including Johnny Lever, Javed Akhtar, Javed Jafri, and Shatrughan Sena. Sena was an old admirer of Akhtar, even becoming a supplier of his audio cassettes in Mumbai. The world famous wax museum, Madame Tussauds, has expressed a wish to include a wax work of Moin Akhtar in its London museum. If this statue is made, it will be the first for any Pakistani entertainer at Madame Tussauds. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआ में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।